Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain a project about HoneyPot to monitor data theft attacks in the cloud. So first, in this project we have two roles. One is admin login and other is user. So first we will enter into the admin part. So admin and the username is admin and the password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, login. So when he gives the correct credentials, it will go and it will redirect to the home page. If he give the wrong credentials, so it will give the error response. So we have so many options here. First we will go one by one. So first I'll create a user and I'll show you the database first. So already Jack user is there. I'll delete this. Here one important thing, the mail address should be correctly given because the system will be sending a mail towards this mail to this particular mail ID, whichever we are entering. And after that, here the files allowed means for this particular user how many times means he can download that particular file. So I'm going to give 3 means 3 times he can download that particular original file. After if he crosses the limit, then the system will be considered as a misbehavior and the admin will come to know means this particular user has been misbehaved. So first we will register and then we'll come back to that. So I'll register this one. So user registered successfully. So I'll get the mail here. You can see here user login details. Username is Jack and the password is Jack. And here after the next is user details. So admin can edit and as well as delete. Next, cloud configuration details means in which we are using two clouds here. So first cloud is in the first cloud we are storing the original files, in the second cloud we are storing the duplicate files. Okay, and here the admin can view the uploaded files here. Means already they have uploaded two files here, and again I will create a new one and I'll upload. Okay, so upload files is here. So first we have to create a text file. So something here I have written and I have saved this. So I'm choosing that particular file and the path something doc is subject. I'll upload. So after uploading we'll get an OTP for the user. I'll show you that. So file is being uploaded successfully. So here we will get one OTP to download that file. So here is my OTP. For the user mail ID, we will get the OTP. So we'll use this later. So here admin can view. So just now with the date and time we can view the uploaded files. And here the transaction means who are the user who tries to download that particular file means if he crosses the limit it will show as misbehavior. Okay, I'll show you that also in the coming part. And next here comes the AS key generation means already AS key generation has been done, so that's why I'm not doing it here now. Okay, next the change password. Here the admin can change the password. So current password is 1234 and the next password is 80, and I'll give the admin only, and I'll keep clicking on the change password, so your password will be updated successfully. So next, the admin part will be over now. So next, admin will log. The next comes the user part. So user part is Jack. So here login here. So here the user has few options, like here he can download, he can change password as well as log. So first I will try to download. So just now we have uploaded one file now, that is ash.txt file. So I'm clicking on this download button. So it will ask for OTP, and here the system is going to check for two options. One is the correct OTP should be given, and the how many times that particular user is going to download that file. If the OTP is wrong, then the dummy file will be downloaded, and if the OTP is given correct and the download exceeds more than download, if the OTP is correctly given and if the download option means download exceeds the threshold limit, then the dummy file will be generated. So first I will give the correct OTP and I will download. So first option is okay. I'll check the OTP. So my OTP is 4523. 4 5 2 3. So I'll submit. So this is the text doc whichever I have just now uploaded. So I'm correctly getting the document. So one time means again I'll enter the that OTP only and submit. So I'm getting the correct document only. So two times he has already downloaded, and if the third time if user tries to download, then he will get the the page got refreshed. Four, 5, 2, 3. Down. See here, the download limit has been crossed, so that's why we are getting the dummy file here. Okay, and here next time in the second option is I'll give the wrong OTP also, like something. Then if it tries to download, then he'll get the dummy file. Okay, thank you.